If Photopea is giving you an error, freezing, or not loading properly, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. These are the same troubleshooting methods that usually solve browser-related Photopea issues in just a few minutes, whether the problem is a blank screen, an endless loading loop, a broken workspace, or a sudden crash. So if this helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this one. Alright, let's jump in. The first thing you should try is a hard refresh. This forces your browser to ignore any old cached files and download the newest clean version of Photopea. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl, Shift and R. If that doesn't work, try Ctrl and F5. On a Mac, press Command, Shift and R. After that, wait a few seconds and see if Photopea loads normally. This simple step solves a lot of issues, especially when Photopea has been updated but your browser is still trying to use an older broken script. If the problem is still there, the next step is to disable extensions and ad blockers. Privacy tools, script blockers, and ad blockers can sometimes interfere with Photopea's important network requests or WebAssembly files. To test this, click the extension icons in your browser toolbar and temporarily disable anything that might be blocking content. If possible, add photopea.com to your trusted whitelist, then reload the page and check whether the error is gone. This is a very important step because sometimes the app itself is fine, but an extension is silently breaking it in the background. Now, let's move on to clearing site data and cookies. Corrupted local storage, broken session data, or damaged cookies can cause Photopea to get stuck in an error loop. To do this, click the small padlock icon or the tune icon next to the Photopea address in your browser. Then open Site Settings or Cookies and Site Data. From there, choose Clear Data, then refresh the tab and try again. This usually gives Photopea a clean slate, and in many cases, it fixes loading problems immediately. If you still see the error, test Photopea in Incognito mode. This is one of the easiest ways to figure out whether the issue is being caused by extensions, browser cache, or a corrupted profile setting. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open an Incognito window. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. Then go to photopea.com and see if the site works there. If it works in incognito mode, that's a strong sign the issue is coming from something in your normal browser session, not from Photopea itself. The next fix is to check hardware acceleration and WebGL settings. Photopea relies heavily on your browser's graphics processing features, especially for canvas rendering and smoother editing performance. Open your browser settings and search for hardware acceleration. Make sure the option for using graphics acceleration when available is turned on. After enabling it, relaunch your browser so the change fully applies. If hardware acceleration was off, turning it on can often fix crashes, blank canvases, or weird visual glitches inside Photopea. If you've gone through all of those steps, there's a very good chance your Photopea error will be fixed by now. The key is to work through them one at a time. First, refresh the browser, then disable extensions, then clear site data, then test incognito mode, and finally make sure hardware acceleration is enabled. That sequence helps you isolate the exact cause instead of guessing. If this tutorial helped you solve the problem, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy software fix guides. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video showing more Photopea troubleshooting tips for export errors, loading problems, or keyboard shortcut issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.